Good afternoon. I think this is an emergency that I'd like maybe to put right, and I want you guys to understand. I've been talking about guys that really wants to stock animals, and most of the time, guys look for animals which are pregnant. The reason why I brought this woman is not sick as such, but I'm going to tell you what happened. But it is showing you the body condition, the health is not purely nice. I really want to avoid this kind of situations in your farms or in your stocking plans. You see the animals behind me. I think if the cameraman is good enough, would be nice. So these animals you see, they are all about to produce, and some of them have produced. So this woman as well, I think you see the body score. This one produced 2 kids, but I think you see how it looks very pretty and nice. You see the other one behind the chain link, they definitely look pretty nice. But first and foremost, I want to put this right, and I want you guys to understand what happened with this woman. This woman is a pure animal which really looks nice, and it was going to continue looking nice, but just because it got miscarriage. So this animal was shifted from this flock to the steaming area, because sometimes we select some animals which we want them to produce high quality babies, and it was shifted to another unit. You see what happened? The same farm, same area, but see what happened. This lady got what they call miscarriage, and that miscarriage, it is what has caused all this. That's what I always tell you, that if you are moving or if you're causing stress to an animal that is pregnant, how do you cause the stress? Is by shifting it from one place to the other, maybe underfeeding it, maybe a disease can as well cause this miscarriage. But the reason of bringing this animal, I wanted to show you that if an animal get miscarriages, or if an animal get a miscarriage, like the way you see this one, it can hardly recover very well. Some of them recover, but most of the time, this is the condition that happens. Just imagine this animal, to bring it back to the other side, the other size that I've showed you, it will be really very hard. You get, and now this one, if it's going to get back on heat, it will not happen in 18 to 21 days. It is going to take more longer time, because first of all, it is going to first recover. Then it recovered actually, because there is no more other mucus that is coming from there. It's only dirty, but it is recovering. So we need really to take a lot of time feeding it very well, eliminating a lot of movements so that it can recover back. Then after recovering to the body score of those kind of animals, that's when it will come back on heat. So you'll find that this animal to again produce or to come back on heat, it might even take more other 3 months to come back on heat. That means if it is using 2 months to recover and build up its body score, very good muscles, that's when the body will communicate and say, I'm ready to produce more other babies. Then it comes on heat. So the reason of showing you this, guys, is all about stocking. You guys who wants to stock big animals which are likely to be pregnant, this is what you're likely to have. And this animal just survived, because sometimes they can even die. You get? So guys, when you're stocking animals, that's the reason why we really want young animals, not those that we suspect should have gotten pregnant. So this animal was looking better than all of them, but when it got a miscarriage, because now we are starting a production season, and that's why you see all of those are getting ready to produce or to deliver, and this one was also among those that were supposed to deliver. But what happened? Miscarriage happened just because of stress, and this is how it looks. So how do you deal with this kind of situation? If an animal miscarriages, we might suspect, one, if you've not exerted any pressure on it. What am I trying to mean? You've not shifted it from one place to the other to cause stress. and the animal was normal, the feeding has been normal, and this animal loses the baby. Look at the age when you lost the baby. Was it early pregnancy or late pregnancy? Early pregnancy is like 1 to 3 months. That could be any other disease, could be Clostridial disease, could be something like that. But beyond that, like 4 months, mostly 4 months to 5. 4 months to 5, because 5, the animal is about to deliver. 4 to 5, that could be, and even 3.5 to 4 there to 5. Most of the time, if it is too much, let's say if it is fetal and many animals are getting the same, you can suspect brucella, because brucella always causes miscarriages or abortions in that period, between 3.5 to 4 months to 5. Then these other Clostridia and so on, they always happen earlier. You get it? Unless it was a condition of maybe it ate the toxic weeds like phytolactodicacca, those kind of toxins, they can cause that miscarriage. But if you look at all that condition, the feeding is good, where it stays is the normal, that where it has been staying, you're looking at everything constant. Then look at maybe the nutrition. If the nutrition is there, then you'll resort to the diseases. Because most of the time for us, when an animal gets miscarriage, first what we say is brucella, which is not the case. Sometimes we say Clostridios, but we don't look at other factors. But also other factors, the animal can fight. If an animal fights, hits the female, which is heavily pregnant, it can cause miscarriages. But what do you deal? How do you deal with an animal that has lost the baby, or the one that has actually miscarried, like this one? We always keep it on the, first and foremost, we give it oxytocin drug, which helps to clear the infection in the uterus, just in case, because it was fetal. So you give oxytocin hormone, and then after giving the oxytocin, if it is still bleeding, or maybe it has mucus stuff, or you see the placenta stayed inside, you will put the diceptoprem or sulfur dimadine tablets into the uterus. You go through the vulva, you go in the cervix, and then you put it in the uterus. So then after that, you have to keep it on antibiotics like pen and strep. You can even do Genta or Baclin. And Stexa, because this definitely shows to you that there is an inflammation in the body of the animal. Then support it with multivitamin and proper feeding. So that's how we do that. I think you've understood what could be the possible cause of miscarriage, what can cause that, how can you handle the treatment, how do you avoid it. You've seen all that. So my work is to save your animals, because I really need a lot of animals in this country. If the animals are fewer, I'm not making business. So I think you can as well see these young babies, beautiful young babies, we've started producing. So these are just days off. I think you can see how beautiful they look. And if you reach a point of starting to receive that kind of genetics and you lose them, it will be very bad. So the one we lost from that one, I think the babies would also be like that. Let me just wish you the best, guys. See you when you see me, and bye for now.